Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Sarah, and we're the Global Geezers.
Today, I'm going to take you to Batu Caves. It's a local tourist spot here in Kuala Lumpur. It's just north of the city, and we're going to get there by train and by subway. Now, I'm going with a friend because Sarah can't go because she's still recovering.
Yeah, my knee won't let me go up all the stairs to get up to the cave. So Kevin's going to go and show you what he sees.
Yep. So let's go. Heading out to Batu Caves. Sorry Sarah couldn't go, but she is getting much better and starting to get around, as you saw last week. But with all the stairs, didn't think she'd make it up. So I get to do this one solo. She's done a couple solo vlogs by herself, so I guess it's my turn to pitch in and help out. Gotta watch out for all these cars, they're everywhere. It's very quiet down here. They're very orderly. All right, we made it. Batu Caves. Now we get to climb the stairs. Yay! They have lots of monkeys here. Holy cow. It's like monkeys here are like pigeons. It's always a nice feature when a landmark has bathrooms. Way to go. Some big old cliffs here, I tell you. Interesting rock formation. But oh yeah, oh, look at those steps. Ooh, they have structure all over the place. A lot of tchotchke stuffs, some food, things like that. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it from over here. Oh yeah, fun. All right, I think it's time to head up the steps. It's in the morning, so it's not so crowded, but there's a few people here. Yeah, those are the steps. Oof. All right, time to start the climb. One, two. I'm about halfway up. Still got a ways to go though. That monkey stole that man's water bottle and is trying to get it open for some water. Ah. Yep, good day for an ice cream. I agree. 1,056, 1,057, 1,058. Nah, just kidding. You can get something to drink up here and something to eat up here. They have snacks. Great, got to climb up. Now I get to climb all the way back down. If you want to go on the side temples, you have to take your shoes off. That's part of their rules. See the water on the ground. There's constant drips from the top of the cave down all the time, so you're going to get a little wet when you're walking through here. This is the no shoes area. I guess you can take a picture at this statue. I don't know. Ticket counter, I guess. You got to pay to take a picture with it. Alright, now that I made it to the end, hung around, took a look, I get to go back down these steps, up those steps, and down the big steps. Fun. Gotta watch your step though. It's wet. There's those noisy roosters. Oof. Okay, getting into the temple is free. Makes it a no-brainer. You can take the subway and the trains all the way up here. The last stop is Batu Caves on the KTM system. The only thing you have to pay extra for is the blessings. So yeah, if you're a tourist, it's a cool thing to come see. You maybe need a few hours max. I was in and out in about 45 minutes or so. So yeah, it's worth seeing. All right, now we get to go back down. If you're a woman and you come here and you're wearing shorts, they'll wrap a sarong around you before you go up. You can't be showing your knees as a woman. I've seen some men in short pants. They recommend using long pants as it is a holy site for the Hindu, because this is a Hindu temple and they do worship here. So out of respect, I wore long pants that convert into short pants, and I'll be taking those off when I get out of the temple area. I see a place to get a cold drink. Well deserved. They do have a restaurant up here, and they don't overcharge you for being a tourist area. The Pepsi and water that I got, both of them together was 5 ringgit, which is just a little over $1. All right, back to the train. Well, that's the Batu Caves. It's a cool thing to come see. Like I said earlier, it's free. The 2 subway stops and the train ride took about an hour to get here from Bukit Bintang, which is near KLLC, which is right about the center. Maybe 6 ringgit to get up here and back, which is about $1.50 each way. Pretty cool, pretty cheap. You can get food here relatively cheap. If you're in KL, it's cool to see. It's a neat thing to see. It's not for the handicapped, even though they are going to be making escalators, and it is hot in there. So if you have a little fan, bring a little fan with you, help keep you cool. Best time to come is in the morning, less people. As I was coming down, a lot more people were going up. So try to do this in the morning. We left KL about 8 in the morning, got here at about a little after 9. And that seemed to be pretty good. There wasn't as many people going up the stairs. In fact, there was people coming down, so they'd already gone in earlier. The earlier you get here, the more you have it to yourself, the more you can see. But that's it for us on this episode. Sarah will be back with me on the next episode, so stay tuned. But right now my train's coming, and I gotta get my train back into KL. Thanks for watching, and see you next week. Bye. So I'm gonna take you and we'll go see our, keep you cool. Best thing, best thing. In fact, there's still people, there was